Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy without corn syrup. First, gather your ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and cream of tartar. This combination prevents crystallization, giving you smooth candy. You'll also need a reliable candy thermometer to reach the precise temperature. Before you begin cooking, make sure your molds or a parchment-lined baking sheet are ready for pouring. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful candy-making process. To start, combine your granulated sugar, water, and cream of tartar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently over medium-low heat until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. This initial step is vital for preventing graininess in your final product. Once dissolved, increase the heat and bring the mixture to a boil without stirring. Continue cooking until your candy thermometer registers exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. This is your window to quickly stir in any desired flavorings and food coloring. Remember, the candy will cool and thicken very rapidly, so speed is key here. Carefully pour the hot liquid candy into your prepared molds or onto a greased baking sheet. Be cautious, as the mixture is extremely hot and can cause burns. Allow it to cool completely before handling. After pouring, allow your hard candy to cool undisturbed at room temperature until it is completely firm. This can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of your pieces. Once fully hardened, you can carefully break the candy into smaller, manageable pieces. Store your homemade hard candy in an airtight container to prevent stickiness. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.